In other news, Attorney General Justin Muturi says the transfer of the Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital to the Ministry of Health was illegal, as the land on which the hospital sits belongs to Kenyatta University. This comes after a long ownership tussle between the hospital and the university, which saw the university's Vice-Chancellor, Professor Paul Wainaina, ousted from office by the previous regime before a court order reinstated him back in office.
I think because the issue of...
Appearing before the Senate Health Committee, the Attorney General Justin Muturi appeared certain that the Kenyatta University and the Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital land tussle was not handled in the best way, with medical students being denied access to the hospital for their practicals and attachments.
If you have nothing sinister, if you are not hiding anything, if indeed you are driven by this desire to offer services to the public and to the students are part of the public. So really, why should we be having difficulties? And it's a sorry state that the students at Kenyatta University are now doing their practicals in Kiambu. And you look at the distance.
Former President Uhuru Kenyatta had ordered the family to be managed under the Ministry of Health. Further, the facility would also house the WHO headquarters as well as Africa CDC offices, a move which did not sit right with the University Vice-Chancellor Paul Wainaina, who said he was being forced to hand over the mother title for the property.
If government wants to give out part of it, there is a mechanism in law. And the council here knows, until the original title is surrendered, you can do all those things. They'll just look like the River Road prepared titles.
They're thinking that when they are to say, let's align it so that we have only one name for state corporation, it doesn't work for this teaching and referral hospital, because at the center of it is research and teaching. So we cannot, I think there is need to accommodate them.
Students from the Kenyatta University will now have access to the hospital to continue with their learning. On his part, Muturi has backed the appointment of Ahmed Dagane as the new CEO of the Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital. Helen Aura, NTV.